Hello guys, welcome to Anu's kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook pizza. So ingredients needed for the pizza are some finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped capsicum and some onions. And then we have mozzarella cheese which I sliced them into the cubes, and then cheddar cheese which I sliced them into fine pieces, and then I have some paneer which I just fried them in the butter, and then a little bit of raw paneer for just adding them on the base, and I have a little bit of butter, and this is the sauce like pizza sauce what we use on the pizza, and this is the pizza base which I am using to make the pizza. So let's begin the process. So first I'm going to use some butter. Just I'm going to apply it on both the sides. Then I'm just going to fry it, so it makes the base a little bit of crispy. So I'm just going to apply it on both the sides. And you can see this pizza have so many holes. You know why? That's because when you apply the butter or you put the slices or the cubes of cheese, the cheese or any other butter or whatever, it goes from the holes and makes the whole pizza crispy and tasty. So I'm just applying it on the second side also. So applying butter gives you a nice taste, also a little bit of crispy crunchy base. So ఇప్పుడు నేను మొత్తం బటర్ అప్లై చేసేసాను. So today we are going to do pan pizza, not in the oven. So I'm just going to light the pan. So the bread which we applied the butter, I'm just going to fry it for some time, just 2 minutes. You can use your hand, it's not that hot. You can see the butter is melting. So it takes a lot of time when we are putting in sim, so I'm putting it in medium a little bit. It takes it fast. It's not. You can see it just got nicely toasted. So it's enough. Now I'm just stopping the stove. So this crunchy toast part is gonna be a base. Just gonna turn it on. So I'm just gonna apply the pizza sauce, whatever is here. So you can add the amount of sauce you require, like if you want to add more or less. Apply the sauce evenly on the toast bread and the pizza base. So I think this is enough for me. So I'm just adding the vegetables. You can add anything else also what you require. You can add any other vegetables. Actually, I like capsicum more, so I'm adding them. Next, I'm adding the onions. Now I'm adding some tomato. So so now we are gonna put this cubes which we actually cut them. If you want to put more of mozzarella cheese, if you want the pizza to be cheesy, you can add more of them. Now I'm adding the slices. You can mainly add them in the middle, so when they get heated, it will be very nice and tasty. And these are the ones which we fried paneer. Now I'm adding a little bit of raw oil. And now you can see you can add oregano and chili flakes, but I don't have oregano. It will be very tasty if you add them, but I have chili flakes, so I'm adding them a little. And you can even add the corn and even olives also. It tastes very good, but I don't have them, so I'm not adding them. It's not available in the stores. So now I'm adding a little bit butter also on the top also. It tastes yum. So I'm done adding butter. Now I'm gonna on the stove and I'm gonna start. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit so that it would be easy after it is cooked. Just don't slice it too much. Just cut a little at the edges and in the middle so that it would be easy when you are eating the pizza at last. So I'm done doing it. I'm just taking the pizza. Be careful. Now I'm just placing it in the oven. Yes. And now you can see I'm putting it a little in medium high floor. A little in medium, not in sim. I'm adding a little bit of butter in the edges also so that it gives you a nice crispy. You can see the pan is heated, it starts melting, it gives you nice taste and it's not tasty. Yeah. You can see it started melting. So I'm done adding butter. It is nice, and I'm just covering it with the lid, and we are letting it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now 10 minutes is completed. Let's see how our pizza is. Yummy, it smells good. Now I'm offing this stove. I'm taking it into a plate. So it is a pan pizza, so the base is a little bit of crunchy. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of chili flakes. A little bit. You can see the top, what is there. So it's like a decoration also. So I'm done adding chili flakes, and now I'm adding a little bit of pizza sauce. If you want, you can add it. So now our yummy pizza is ready. I'm just gonna cut it into a piece again. Yummy, full of cheese. So cheesy, so cheese lovers can like it. Yummy. So a pizza is ready. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it's very hot. Yummy. I just love it. I'm gonna eat this pizza. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and try it in your homes. Thank you.